What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Gohan Black. Okay, so today we are going to draw Gohan Black from Dragon Ball Heroes. Before we start, make sure to draw a perfect square. Each side is 5 centimeters. And without further ado, let's get to it. We are going to start by drawing Gohan's face. We'll do that by using 6 lines. This is gonna be a 3/4 pose. Next we're going to mark the center of his face by using this guideline. And from that point we're going to draw the wrinkles between the eyes, following up with the eyebrow. And to create the eye, we'll use 3 lines, 2 curves and 1 more curve underneath. We'll indicate the bump above the eye and then draw the cheek marks. And we'll do the same process for the left side, although this side will appear noticeably smaller because of the angle. Next we're going to draw the nose. We'll do that by using 5 lines, following the next steps. And then with a very tiny gap from the nose, we'll draw the mouth. We'll do that by using 3 lines and we'll indicate his chin just like that. And of course don't forget to add the iris on each eye. Awesome, so next we are going to draw his hairline. After that we'll draw his ear. We'll start with the shape of the ear. We'll do that by using 4 lines. And then we'll add the details inside. Awesome, next we are going to draw his famous scar, the one 17 gave him. Then we are going to draw his neck by using 2 curves. And then we are going to use this guideline to help us draw Gohan's hair. So we'll draw 3 curves right there. And then we'll add 4 spikes. And then 3 more spikes from the front. Awesome, next we're going to draw the torso. We'll start by using 2 lines to create the trap muscles. Then we'll draw the color of his shirt underneath and the color of his shirt on top. Next we'll add the chest muscles, the neck muscles, and we'll refine the shirt underneath by adding some nice creases. Awesome, so we are done with the sketching part and now it's time to ink this drawing. For that you can use a black pen or a black color pencil. I would suggest actually using a black pen because we are going to color this drawing later on with some colored pencils. So as you can see, for the inking process I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip. That way I will have more control, and of course I'm rotating the page so I can go with my natural hand movement, and I'm simply pushing and pulling lines. And it's done. So now we can move on to the coloring part. So for that process I'm gonna use Prisma colored pencils, but you can use Faber-Castell or any other types of colored pencils. So we are going to start with the skin tone. We'll first color the darkest areas, and as you can see I'm holding the pencil closer to the tip so I can apply more pressure and therefore get more lead on the paper. Next we're going to use the Midtone, and we'll do the same process as before, still holding pencil closer to the tip, and make sure to color in the direction of the shape. And we are going to go back to the darkest tone just because I forgot to add some shades from the hair and of course coloring the scar. Awesome, now it's time for the brightest tone. So just go ahead and fill up all the blank area. Again, coloring in the direction of the shape. Awesome, and now it's time to color the gi. So for that we're going to use some grays. We'll start with the brightest tone. Then we'll move ahead to the Midtone, still coloring in the direction of the creases. After that we're going to use the black color pencil. And then we'll do some adjustments. I'm gonna go back to the Midtone. Awesome, now we are going to color the eyes. We'll start by using the black color pencil. We'll color the eyebrows as well. And then for those blank areas, I'm gonna use a bright gray. That way we'll get a nice highlight on the eyes. Awesome, next we're going to mark the highlighted areas on the hair, and then we'll fill it with the black color. And as you can see, I'm rotating the page to go with my natural hand movement. That way it will be much more comfortable to color the spikes. Next we are going to use a Midtone of gray. And then a brighter tone of gray for the remaining areas. Awesome. Now I decided to add some lightnings just like in Dragon Ball Heroes. Now apologies, I forgot to record that part, but just add the lightnings just like I'm coloring them using a warm yellow. Next we'll hold the same pencil but at the center this time, so we can apply little pressure and add a small amount of lead. Now to get a nice effect, we'll use a white color pencil and just blend the colors. Awesome! Now to make this drawing a bit more interesting, or to make Gohan look more fierce, we can add some bruises, although it's not a must. So as you can see, I'm adding some straight lines with the black color pencil. And then we're going to use the red color pencil to add some blood. And we are done! Everybody, this is how you draw Future Gohan Black from Dragon Ball Heroes. Please let me know how you did in the comment section and tell me which Dragon Ball character would you like me to draw next. Also, make sure to subscribe if you're new. I upload new drawing tutorials every week and I'm currently working on an in-depth drawing course, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be ready in November. That's it for today. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video very soon. Peace.